Hello, this is Jonathan Rogers working with Tanush Biswal on our Sumdo project. The goal of our project is to provide users with a tool that can generate short summaries of any lecture or MP3. Our motivation is to save users time by condensing a video into their essential information. Previously, many summarization tools like LSA and TextShrink have been used to summarize text. There also has been many voice recognition tools like Google's text-to-speech and YouTube's caption tool to generate transcriptions of them. In our implementation, we use Wave2Rec for speech recognition and GPT-3 for summarization. We attempted to use Pegasus, GPT-2, and ProfitNet, which did not work for differing reasons.
Hey, this is Tanish, and I'm gonna go over how this project works. On our front end that I'll demo shortly, we upload an MP3, and it basically gets stored on Firebase storage. And the reason for doing that is so that on any machine, so basically on our other laptop here, we're gonna run the scripts that actually the Python scripts that process the MP3, then transcribe and summarize it, and they will get the file from Firebase storage, and that's how they see that there's files to process. So we basically set up like this mini pipeline, and we use the PyDub library to convert first of all the MP3 to wave, so that we can use wave to vec to transfer the wave into a transcription. And finally, we take the transcription, do a slight bit of prompt engineering with GPT 3.5 Turbo to get a nice summarization out of it. And then we send the results back to Firestore so our front end can pull it. And now I'm going to demo that. All right, so now we get to the demo. And the first thing, so we have a sign in because we wanted multiple users to be able to use it at the same time. And so if you're processing multiple things at a time, we have a queue that we made in Firebase storage. And so the way we identify each file is by using the user ID. So to use this, I'll have to sign in. I'll try signing in with Google real quick. Um, there we go. And then, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick an interesting file. I'm going to take the first part of the audio clip that where Jonathan was speaking, and we're going to see how that translates transcription and summary wise from our project. So we upload that, we hit upload, and boom. And then we hit summarize. And now, basically, at the same time, I have my other laptop and I'm running the script that basically surveys Firebase storage and looks for a new file. And now it's processing. So I'll be back shortly. Oh, there it popped up. And as you can see, so the reason it just pops up like this is because the JavaScript of this website is basically constantly surveying Firestore. And then since we pushed the output to Firestore, it got the summary and transcription. And the transcription from Wave to Vec, you can see it's not perfect. Like it didn't get my name very well. There's some random punctuation like Rogers. It should be just Rogers. Some random spacing here. Words are not perfect because it's a character by character model. And but I'd say that came out pretty well. And even ChatGPT, or I guess GPT 3.5, the summarization pipeline, as you can see, that also didn't get it perfect because it's based off this transcription. But I think that did a pretty solid job. So yeah, that is it pretty much. That's the project. Thank you for tuning in to this video and have a nice day.